Ladies and gentlemen, please let me introduce you the Hexagonille terrain system. The perfect solution for those of you who want to craft their own terrain, but still want them to be fully modular and perfectly fitting together. This is the set of STL files that you can print, model over, put together and play on with your friends. What I'm talking about? These. This is basic tile, the hexagon. Very easy to print, very light, and you can model over them whatever you like. When you print enough of them, you can create the whole terrain. But not only with these flat tiles. You will need some plastic tiles. This is a cliff tile. You can see there is a space for you to model whatever you like. Here is a space for water. Again, you can use whatever material for water you like. And how to put these together? Simply. With this basic locking system, you create a net of hexes. They lock together, so your terrain will not fall apart. And you very simply put all these tiles on them. They are locking, so they fit perfectly. With these, there is a water against the flat. But we are far than that. You can create even the smooth transmissions between the high level. And you don't need the high tile for each level. Because we have these. This is stocking tiles. You can simply put them on and stock as many you need to create the height, to create the height you wish. How does it work? Very simply. With the slope tiles like these, you can create very smooth transmissions between different height levels. Voila, we have a hill. If you wish to... Oh, sorry. As you can see, you can create the rock face and on the top use your normal flat tiles. With this set, let me show you what possibilities you have with these tiles. This is a small terrain I put together to show you which tiles we have, not all of them. So, you already saw the flat tiles. You can put on them whatever you want. Sand, snow, whatever. They are used here. We have the hills, as you can see. As you can see, we have hills. Here they are put together with the use of the stocking tiles. And they create very nice, very smooth transmission between the ground level and the rise level. We have rock face, rocks. As you can see, I create a few different tiles, a few different styles of rocks. You can create the water, streams, rivers, lakes, oceans, whatever you like. With water we have cliffs, so you can create again whatever you like. And my beloved, caves. Here you can see the cave entrance, and when your players enter, you simply reveal them the whole cave system, which again fits perfectly with your terrain. So you can create almost anything you wish. You can create rocks, mountains, hills, oceans, islands, whatever you like. And what's the best of it? You can print as many as these simple tiles and make them look like yours. I hope you like it. If you do, you can buy the STL files, print as many as you wish. And if you have any questions, please don't be afraid and let us know. We will answer any of your questions. I hope you like it, I hope you will enjoy it when playing. Happy gaming, happy crafting.